Here I have HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this icon here in the corner, and here you have code scanner. So let's scan, for example, this mysterious QR code. Then tap on the code scanner, and this page been encoded into this QR code. So yeah, that's how you can use it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.